I think Shri Conrad Sangmaji has already said the same, and ये जो press statement है, इसमें we have all signed as initial participating members. I'm very happy to have people like Shri Conrad Sangma with us. We have James Sangma. We also have Mullo Mokikon, Daniel Langthasa. We have Mr. B.K. Rankhol, who himself had a political party called INPT, which later amalgamated with Tipra Motha, which is our party now. And there are many people who will be asking various questions, but let me be very clear and let us all be very clear. We want to speak for the people of Northeast. For far too long, we have spoken the same things about our land, about our people, about our culture, about the future of our next generation, but we have spoken either as individuals or as separate political entities. आज अगर हम एक आवाज में बात करेंगे अपने लोगों के प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे, हमारे बच्चे, हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के भविष्य के बारे एक आवाज में, तो शायद हमारा समस्या का हल होगा और लोग भी हमें और गहराई से लेंगे. इसी के लिए we have all come together and we are starting a process. बहुत लोगों को लगता था होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन है, we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here, and you are all renowned media people, many a times you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one North-Easterner to another North-Easterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all shed our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. इसी के लिए हमने ये कदम ली है और मैं आशा करता हूं और विश्वास भी करता हूं कि अहंकार से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have to shed our personal ambitions and egos and we should come together because the most important thing in political sphere or platform is not personal interest but the interest of our people. Our people need collective leadership. Our people need a political voice not only in the Northeast but also outside Northeast. Mainly in Delhi, in Bombay, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, across metros, Calcutta, and we are going to attempt to do this. And again, to everyone who may have certain questions, our singular effort is to unify the separate voices of Northeast into one singular platform so that we can articulate our point of view to people who perhaps may not understand our challenges. Our challenges are not just within the country, but we also share a big boundary with neighboring countries. And I think that if we can come together, you will probably be able to understand and we will be able to articulate our views in a more cohesive manner. Thank you.